right.
Susie.
Oh, where's my Susie?
Susie.
Susie. Hi. We're here at Sheraton for the New Year's with Gladys and Chris.
Room service. I saw you for a bit and then I didn't see you after.
All right. We're here at Sheraton, Seattle for the New Year with Chris and Gladys right there. And room tour. We're gonna chill for a while and then we will go to Seattle Winterfest.
What is that? Joke. Just kidding. Video.
You were pressing the button. Or counting the blocks. 7.
Steven.
7.
7.
7.
7. It's not a language.
8. 9. Wow. 10. Hi. So tonight we are at the Armory for the Winterfest and we'll show you guys how it looks like. This is our second time. It's so awesome because it still amazed me, especially earlier riding the monorail coming to Seattle Center. It's fun.
Baby, baby, stay here. I need some time to clear my mind. We both know it's a problem when you call me all the time and I say I may
I'll
just
show you
need a
guys
little bit longer.
my future plans. So these are the plan. That blue one is my house. This is Gladys' house, the yellow one. There's that barn thingy over there, carousel, and then that church, and then this is the restaurant, and then whenever we're bored we can just ride the thingy right there.
The balloon.
The
Hot air balloon.
hot air balloon. That's so cool.
I know.
Look. Okay, now you go down, you go down, you go down. So that one, and then that's it. You wanna do it, Gladys? I wanna do it.
You only come and go when you feel like it. Been at it for a while, but you won't commit. This inconsistent love is messing with my head. And it just ain't fair. You know I can't fight it. Wanna put my hands all over your body. Ooh, and if the stars don't shine, yeah. And if the moon fell down tonight, I would be there no matter what.
So we just finished ice skating and we don't know how to.
The fountain.
We don't know how to skate.
Oh, look, the fountain. Oh.
Yeah, there should be like lights, you know.
Okay, the ice skating rink experience is, I can't, speechless. I don't know how, it was hard. It was hard to balance myself in the ring. It's
That's
okay, it's worth it. It was
$8.
only, it was only $8, so
Somewhere
it's
in this building.
it's worth the experience. It's Winterfest!
Yoo-hoo! Bro, what happened to you? What happened to you?
Desert.
Desert? Oh. Oh wow.
Yeah.
Can I touch the suit?
Yeah.
Can I
Ooh,
touch your
cool. How much is this?
You don't want to know.
You don't wanna know. Wow. Go get a lightsaber. May the force be with you. Where are we?
Nordstrom Rack. This is my favorite.
End up shopping.
This is my favorite.
All this time.
I got this feeling inside my bones. It goes electric waving when I turn it on. All through my city, all through my home. We're flying up no ceiling when we're in our zone.
There you go.
Where are we going?
I don't know, somewhere here.
Are we going this side? Yeah. Okay, good.
So we're about to head back to our hotel. We're in Pacific Place. No, we check in at Sheraton. So this is how it looks like here in Seattle.
Got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. Feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. I can't take my eyes off of it, moving so phenomenally. Room on lock, the way we rock it, so don't stop.
We're inside Sheraton now. There's a gingerbread house exhibit. Alright, so we are at Sheraton's complimentary breakfast. So we're here at the Sheraton breakfast area. It's a complimentary breakfast that Chris was able to arrange for us. There's only two of us this morning, me and Glads. Oh my god, look at my nose. Me and Glads, because the other two are working, so it's a girl's day. Alright, so this is what I'm having for breakfast. I got croissants. Is that cheese Danish? It looks like. And my fruits right there. I got my cream cheese. And this. Check this out. Hard-boiled egg. I cut it in half. And then I put salt, shoyu, and Tabasco. Bam! And that's my orange. That's Gladys coffee. And this is Gladys plate. Like, really, seriously. Guys. Hi. So Glads and I, we are at W Hotel. W Hotel at the Trace Restaurant. Yes, at the Trace Restaurant. So we're here.
So start off with cocktail.
What is that though? Did she see anything? New Year cocktail or something?
I don't know. It looks like a champagne with mix of whatever.
It smells good. So we're gonna wait for our food and we'll show you guys later what we ordered. I forgot to show you the menu, but it's very pansay. Wow, ready na siya. I see. So Gladys, what did you have?
I got the Northwest Loco.
Yes, please. So, Loco Moco. And then, wow. Oh my god, thank you. So this is my Spam sandwich right here. This cute.
Rest and then go out.
I like this. I like this. This is so cute. And look at the Tabasco. It's so small. Focus camera. It's so small. So this is our dessert. It's called the Seattle Macaroons.
What's up?
Look at my double chin. Hi everyone, Happy New Year!
It's freezing.
So this is our first New Year away from home and our first New Year spending it here at the Hi!
Facebook Live.
First New Year away from home and first New Year to spend here at the Space Needle, one of the world's largest structured fireworks display. And we have a reservation for dinner around 10, somewhere around here. So
Yep.
we're gonna eat dinner and then come back to our spot to witness the fireworks display.
So we're here E Arena.
Key Arena.
Dun, 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 dun. Langside.
Current time right now is 10:15 and we are waiting for the fireworks to start. And I am very excited. I don't know if you can read what's on top of my head, but it does say Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
2 minutes more. 2 minutes.
Yeah, 2 minutes more. It's very cold. I think it's gonna snow.
Don't say that. It will be like freezing.
It's freezing.
Look, there's a choke of people at the back. It's snowing. Woo! Happy New Year!